Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Cody Walsh, with the Cody Walsh Cooking Show. Today, I just have one quick disclaimer before we begin. I do not have access to my kitchen because I self-quarantined due to getting a job. So, we're very limited in the kitchen. I would like to make some eggs, something else. I mean, even if I did have the kitchen, I really don't know how to cook. So, instead, this is just as important. I'm going to show you how to make the most perfect bowl of cereal. So, here we go. First of all, we are going to grab our mix or your cereal. Today we have Fruity Pebbles. These are my favorite. So, first thing you're gonna do, just with a little 2-finger tag, boom, pull open the top so you have about, I would say 1/3 of the bag open. Okay, see that? Beautiful. Now, we are going to take this bag and just ever so slightly, very nice dump into the bowl. Now, let that rest. Here, we have a pitcher of milk brought to you truly from my mom from the kitchen. Here we go. This is 2% milk. You can use whole or fat-free. Does not matter to me, but I prefer 2%. So here we go. This is very important. Very nice flick of the wrist here. Now, you want about, we could use a little more. You want about, say about 70% cereal, 30% milk. I think that adds up. Yes, it does. So we're going to take this, fold 3 times. We can place that to the side for now. Here we go. We have our perfect bowl of cereal. You want to place the spoon ever so slightly, about 30% in. Really get a good dip, okay? And this is how we're gonna present our bowl. Let's get a close-up. Now that we have our close-up, let's eat. So there's a very particular technique into eating this bowl of cereal. We are going to 3-finger smoothly in. Nice little chunk of milk, big chunk of cereal. I've done it again. I've made the perfect bowl of cereal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Now go out there and make that bowl of cereal.